Come, listen. What did you hear? This car's wipers make a very harsh noise. In this case, if you take your car to a repair shop, they will let you replace the wiper blades and even the wiper arms. It will cost at least several $100s. Today, I will teach you a method that can be solved without spending a penny. Come here. There is a small black spot on the wiper blade. Let's hold it down. You can remove the wiper blade. Then, let's slowly move the wiper arm closer to the windshield. Take a piece of cardboard. See it? There's no problem on this side. It fits perfectly. But the other side slopes upward. It deformed. Actually, the solution is very simple. All we need is a screwdriver. Come here, like this. Insert it into the hole. Then adjust it hard. Okay. The wiper blades are now reinstalled. Next, I'll get in the car. See if the abnormal noise disappears. Let's try again. Look, the strange noise disappeared. The problem is completely solved. How about it? Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn about cars every day.